So I have job vacancy available in Malta in some hotel job as a F&B department and housekeeping, kitchen helper, laborers, general workers, cleaners, hotel maintenance worker, some machine operators, this type of general worker job. Embassy accept the work permit application and accept Indian national. So who's want to apply Malta in this type of job, who's ever cleaners job experience, hotel job experience, passport photograph and your full passport scan copy for this job. Malta is a European country, in a Schengen country, as a like part-time. Some people say about what about food delivery job. So as per my knowledge, right now I don't have any food delivery job vacancy in Malta. But if you have a official work permit in Malta, you can also do part-time work in a food delivery or in another job. So if you want to apply Malta work permit and you have a patient, then you also contact me with your proper documentation. And Malta's charges also, we are not giving a free service because we also pay for this job of offers and consultancy charge to employment agency and our consultant there who's working for us. Process that first of all you submit your document. If your document is okay, then we arrange your interview. If your interview is okay, then your application in Identity Malta with your document and employer's document. Then after submitting Identity Malta, then after we wait for 4 to 8 weeks for principal approval letter from Identity Malta. When we get a principal approval letter, then we submit our document in VFS or in an embassy. If we are in India, then we submit in VFS. And in UAE or in Qatar, Kuwait also you can apply in VFS or direct embassy as per guidelines. So first of all, Malta, they need proper documentation like first passport scan copy. Full scan means front page of your passport blue cover and last cover page of passport blue cover. Total 38 page in one PDF, your vaccine certificate, your proper CV and your photograph. Only 4 documents first required. All document in proper scan copy. So this clear document only entertain. Whose photo pic document we are not entertaining. So who's serious and who's want to apply genuine job and who's want genuine job vacancy, they can contact me for Malta work permit. So maybe guys, Malta work permit details, proper information I'm giving you. I think you are understand. You can apply PCC from passport office. PCC full form is police clearance certificate. So who's interested to apply in work permit in Croatia with job, they can also contact me. Sometimes TIG welder, MIG welder, mason, carpenter, steel fitter, scaffolder, shuttering carpenter, who's ever Gulf experience or international experience. In Romania, Romania also is a good country, European country. I have some job vacancy as a general worker in Romania, some housekeeping job, furniture factory, helper job, some hotel job, some food delivery or like this type of job. Whichever job available in Romania, we also process your document. In Romania, first document is like same Croatia. Police clearance certificate is required. If you are really interested, then you can apply first PCC. Croatia process a 2 month or 3 month approx, and for Romania processing time approximately 3 month or maximum sometimes delays of 4 month also. So who's ever patient, who's ready for apply visa, who want genuine work permit and genuine papers document, they can contact me. Another job vacancy I discuss about Poland. So Poland is very critical, but I also some job vacancy in farming job as a general worker, greenhouse labor, and farmers who don't have any skilled. Anyone can apply in Poland. No any interview, nothing like that. So many people worry about Poland process. But we have a job vacancy, we can apply for Poland also. So who's want to apply Poland work permit, also contact me as a general workers. No one need any education, but sometime embassy interview. So Poland also you can apply. If you don't, if you want to apply Poland, then you also contact me. In Cyprus, I have 5 to 10 vacancies in Cyprus as a bakers. Who's have a bakery experience? Salary 800 to 900 euro in a Cyprus. 2 years employment visa and free food, free accommodation. So good salary. So who have a bakery experience like making a bread, bun and pastry, like this type of job experience in the past, then they can apply. Who's communicate in English, employer take interview in a Cyprus. I have job vacancy in Canada. First job is the farm worker, cow farm worker, greenhouse worker, and pig farm worker. Who's ever farming experience, they can apply very easily. Who's ever IELTS general band 4.5, 5.5, with and without IELTS also can apply. Another job vacancy is safe and restaurant worker, front office, housekeeping, farmers and greenhouse worker, seafood worker, fish processing worker, and caregiver for ANM, GNM, BSc from our side or our associate side. Then after your employer interview, if an employer satisfied with your interview and select you, then after a second process, लेबर मार्केट इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट LMIA, जो कुछ लोग लीमिया बोलते हैं. So LMIA process. When LMIA approved, then after we submit our document in embassy, High Commission in Canada or via VFS or embassy directly. This is the process in a Canada and in a European country, step-wise payment. And this is all our genuine work. The approximately 4 month, maximum 8 month process in Canada. So anyone want to apply Canada work permit, they also can contact us. Who's have a good budget, because this is a family settlement country. If you apply in Canada, after settle there, you also apply dependent visa for your spouse, your children. So this is one-time investment and with secure job. No any special skill. If you have a job experience in a farming, you can apply in farming. If you have a job experience in a hotel or restaurant, you can apply in same field. If you want genuine work permit, genuine process, then contact me. Hospital job, different job vacancies. So nurses also can contact me for any job vacancy. Thank you guys. I try my best for giving you information. I think you also understand my English is not too much good, but trying to explain very well. So this video for all people who not understand Hindi, Gujarati or our Indian language. Thank you guys.